आज जो 2 दिन पहले डीलिमिटेशन के ऊपर जो वुमेन्स बिल है, एक प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा था और तभी एक पुलिस ऑफिसर्स वहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे, who were working relentlessly for the people, एक महिला आती है, एंटाइटल्ड महिला आती है, मर्सिडीज से उतरती है और जाके क्या कहती है, fuck you to the police officers. Who are you, madam, to come and talk against our public authorities? Who are you to disrupt the public functions of this country? I am a law student. I am Zen Sadavarte. I am just a citizen of this country who is against this. What is this behavior? I am a granddaughter of a police officer. There was Mr. Minister Girish Mahajan, who was also disrespected. Why? Just because there were a couple of cameras. There was national television. You wanted to create a victimization. What was the intent behind this? What was the agenda? इस देश की धरती पे insult towards hard-working police officers, insult towards the public functionality, the constitution and the constitutional mechanism itself, ये नहीं चलेगा. अगर आज we don't set an example in stone, then when is it going to happen? Some entitled lady, some entitled madam can't come out of a Mercedes and expect the people to be okay with her cursing out. हमारे देश के police officers, there is a way. If she felt कि कोई inconveniences है, if she felt कोई traffic jam है, she can't aggressively come threaten the police officers. So यहीं पे आज वाली police station में I went to the senior police officer and I have filed a complaint. I have requested to lodge an FIR.
मैम, आपने अपनी कंप्लेन में क्या कहा है, किन धाराओं के तहत मामला दर्ज हो सकता है?
मैंने कहा है कि Section 132, that is criminal force to deter public servants. Section 221, that is obstructing servants in discharge of public duties. Section 353, that is statements of public mischief from the BNS Act. इन धाराओं के तहत और कुछ और public laws के तहत I have asked for this FIR to be lodged. And it's not just about this one lady coming. It's not just about एक महिला जो आती है और हमारे public officers को हमारे vicinity से, I am also a resident of Worli, I also live here, I also have a place here. हमारे ही vicinity में कोई lady आके हमारे ही public servants को, हमारे ही hard working police officers के against कुछ बोल के जाती है, threaten करती है, maliciously intent के साथ act करती है, and we should be okay with it. I, as a citizen of this country, will not tolerate it.
पुलिस की तरफ से क्या कहा गया आपको? पुलिस ने आपके एप्लीकेशन पर क्या जवाब दिया और अब तक उनकी तरफ से क्यों नहीं कार्रवाई की गई?
You see, मुझे एक चीज़ कहनी है. I applaud the minister who was there, Mr. Girish Mahajan. Now, even though it's more about the police officers, it's ज़्यादा about the police officers who were insulted there. But even when she was threateningly जब वो गई भागते हुए police officers पे on the minister, तभी भी there was this Mr. Minister who said कि जाने दो, महिला है, सभ्यता रखी, इज्जत रखी. इसी के हिसाब से I would say that to not let go of the situation. I am a woman. I don't play a victim card when it comes to this. You have no right, man, woman, no matter your gender, your race, your caste, you have no right to come up and talk against a police officer in such a way, in a public protest, in a public domain. Yes, you have other constitutional remedies. तुम्हारे पास है ways if you want to file a complaint, if you want to go against the protest. But end of the day, you have no right to be insolent, to break down constitutional mechanism of this country, of this state in Worli,